Most people think engineering lives in obvious places: bridges, engines, factories, and machines that look complex. But some of the most refined engineering work is hiding in objects so familiar we stop noticing them. Everyday objects are quietly optimized masterpieces. Take a simple hinge. It looks basic, but its geometry balances load, minimizes friction, resists wear, and maintains alignment over thousands of cycles. Change the angle slightly and the door sags. Alter the material and it squeaks, binds, or fails early. That kind of precision isn't accidental. Designers obsess over tolerances measured in fractions of a millimeter. They model stress, fatigue, and failure long before a product reaches your hands. The goal isn't flash, it's reliability. The same applies to latches, handles, switches, zippers, knobs, and tools. Each one solves a specific mechanical problem using shape, leverage, and material science. Many haven't changed in decades, not because innovation stopped, but because the design is already close to optimal. Good engineering disappears. When something works smoothly, we assume it's simple. In reality, it's usually the result of countless iterations. Bad designs draw attention. Good ones fade into the background. This is why everyday engineering matters. These objects are used constantly. They experience repetition, abuse, dirt, moisture, and neglect. Unlike high-tech systems, they don't get software updates or diagnostics. They succeed or fail purely on physical design. That forces a different mindset. Engineers designing everyday objects must assume misuse. They build in forgiveness. They design mechanisms that still function when tolerances drift, materials wear, or conditions change. That's hard. In many cases, the most impressive achievement isn't innovation, it's restraint. Knowing when not to add complexity. Knowing when a simple cam, spring, or lever outperforms a motor or sensor. There's also a trust element. People don't think about how a light switch works. They trust it. That trust is earned through consistent performance. When something works every time, it becomes invisible. But invisibility doesn't mean insignificance. Hidden engineering shapes daily life more than cutting-edge tech ever will. It determines how long products last, how safe they are, and how frustrating or effortless our interactions feel. The future of technology isn't only about smarter systems, it's about better physical design. Quiet improvements that reduce friction without announcing themselves. Engineering doesn't always look impressive. Sometimes it looks ordinary, and that's exactly the point. Once you start noticing the engineering hidden in everyday objects, you realize how much of modern life depends on getting the small things exactly right.